Alright, y'all, welcome back to a new video. JD is back. Say something to the people. Alright, welcome back. Hope y'all like the previous video that I dropped. This video is going to be about unboxing some Human Made. Yes, I got 3 things that I picked up from them for the past 3 weeks. I got a little, a little novelty trinket item that I wanted to pick up. It's more I can use it, but I'm not going to use it. It's just going to be a display piece. And I had bought 2 pieces of clothing. One is a t-shirt, one is a hat. Without further ado, hit that like and subscribe button. And also drop a comment if you're feeling the content. Drop a comment if you're feeling the content.
Okay.
That's what he said. Anyway, I don't like to keep y'all too long, longer than y'all have to. Get y'all on about y'all day. Let's get with the first unboxing of Human Made. I want to open that one.
You already opened it.
I open it, but I don't want to show that one yet. I want to start off small, then end with a bang. Like bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang. Oh, boy. Oh, boy.
Sweat.
Yeah. Alright, so the first item that I got is this box. Hold on. Yep.
Lube.
Yep. Lube. I'm just kidding. Don't listen to him.
Alright.
But I just seen them post this on. I should have got 2 of them instead of 1. Cause I got the white version. I should have got the black as well. So what I got is this little thermos. Tap that. There it is. But I'll just show a B-roll of this. But I got a thermos. It's like 200. Hold up. How much is it hold? 200 milliliters. Thermos. It's just the designs on it. I thought it was really cool. I thought it was dope. I guess it's like my first little display piece that I'm gonna have. I'm gonna have like a nice little display piece put up in my room very soon. Stay tuned for that video. JD, don't worry about showing it because I'm showing B-roll in a minute. Get back. Anyway, so yeah, I decided to buy that. It just got the polar bear on it, Human Made with the heart. Thought it was cool, thought it was dope. I won't be using it. It's just gonna be a display piece again. So, click on my face. I think I'm out of focus. Don't look in there. Don't try to drink it. Click my face. Click my face. You are getting your pay cut this week. I'm cutting it, dog. So yeah, that's the first item that I got. I paid, it was 2,500 yen, which is probably like, I think it's like between 20 or $30. I can't remember exactly what it equates to US dollars, but I think like 20 to $30, somewhere in that range. All right, the next item that I got right there, right here, is a different size box. As you can see, it's like a rectangle, it looked like an Xbox Series X, that router that's coming out later this year. PS5 over here though, they look like a router too. Both of them consoles look like a router. But inside this box is like one of the first pickups that I got of this type of item on my channel. You don't even know what it is.
I knew it was a hat.
Damn, why you say something, bruh?
I'm sorry.
That's why it's dark. They can't see you.
Good.
Anyway, I already tried it on and it's perfect. Fits perfect. Again, is another Human Made hat. Human Made item, and this is like my first hat from them. This is a corduroy hat, and I haven't wore corduroy since I was in it. I remember this like it was yesterday. The last time I wore corduroy, take a guess. This type of material. Last time I wore this.
For pants, right?
Yeah, I wore pants.
5th grade?
Close.
What?
6th. And I used to wear them a lot, dog. So it's a dry alls, and I forgot. Dang, it's like I guess it's like Thai, like the way people in Thailand write their language. It's like in that kind of script. I decided to go with this hat. It's a dry alls in the front. Also, I will be posting I learned what dry alls mean. It means like it's a type of material that clothing brands use, like a certain material. It's like high quality and shit like that. I'll put a screenshot up because somebody in my comment section gave me some knowledge on what dry alls mean, and it helped, and now it made more sense of why they use dry alls as a saying for their brand. Also on the back, it says Human Made, and I got this in a navy colorway with white embroidery, and it has like silver outlining around dry alls. And on the clasp, you can't see it, but I'll show on the B-roll, it says Human Made, with the heart, Human Made inside the heart. So I had to get this hat, and I will be wearing this a lot, and I'm not gonna be wearing this going to work because this is not my work hat. This is gonna be a hat that when I go out somewhere, I will be wearing this. Drop that over there. So that was my first hat that I ever picked up on this channel. Hopefully I remember this later in the future because I'm gonna ask this question, what was the first hat that I picked up? JD, you can't answer it because you ain't gonna win it. So,
Alright.
yep.
Last
this.
but not least.
I'm glad. Oh, So this one, we step back. I got this shit so quick. When I seen it go up on Instagram, I caught this so quick, bruh. Get your hand out of the way. I caught this so quick. This all it say, human made on the front. That's it. That's all you gonna get. That's all you gonna get. But nah, it says human made on the front, inside the heart. But on the back, I had a copy because of this. You ready? Oh man, they seen a little bit. I had a, like, I seen this, like, I need that shirt. I need this damn shirt. Got it in 2XL. So it's gonna fit me perfectly how I want. Also, Human Made, if you're watching this or somebody from Human Made, make this a rug, because I will buy this as a rug. Because this is fire. You hear me? You hear me, JD?
Yeah.
Did you hear me?
Yeah, I heard you.
I have to make sure you're paying attention. But it's like a little tiger on the back. They got carved up and they use them as a rug. And it just says Human Made on his back. It has this. It feels good, don't it? It feels good.
Let me have it.
Okay, you can hold it. Oh!
I want it.
Before we end this video, I decided to...
Sorry.
Anyway, before I end this video, I want to show y'all... Well, I want to do another giveaway. Another Human Made giveaway. Because I'm feeling generous. I'm feeling nice. Mm-hmm. A lot of y'all really been tuning in to the Human Made content. Mm-hmm. So, for my new viewers and the viewers that's been around for a minute...
And me.
This excludes you because I already gave you something. That being with an ice cream t-shirt. But oh yeah, I still gotta do y'all video with y'all. Anyway, let me get the shirt and I'm gonna show y'all the next giveaway. There you go. Alright, so if y'all want to enter in to win this next t-shirt that I'm giving away for Human Made, I believe it's an XL or 2XL. Again, they don't put the sizes on the shirts, but remember, it is a Japanese brand and the sizing is different for us, so they're a little bit smaller than us. So if you're, well, just look at it like this. It's an XL, 2XL. It's gonna fit you perfectly. I'm 6'3", and these shirts fit me really good.
That's disgusting.
Anyway, that's that water, bro. That shit hitting, boy.
Stank.
So if y'all want this shirt, bam! This was the first shirt that I ever bought for Human Made. I wore it once.
Feels good.
You like that, don't you? So this is a shirt I will be giving away. And all you have to do, let me see.
Let me see it.
I guess all you have to do in this one, in this giveaway. Where you going, bro? Where you going? Bring the shirt back, dog. All right. No, giveaway for the people to enter in to win. You ain't enter in to win.
Here, bro. Take it, bro.
Oh, shit. Anyway, I wore it once. If you want to enter in to win this t-shirt, all you gotta do is drop a comment down below. And yeah, just drop a comment down below like the previous video. And if you win, I will hit you. Yeah, if you win, I'll let you know if you won or not. And you're just gonna drop your IG down below. And I will contact you on Instagram to get your information. And I get your shipping information. You don't have to pay for shipping. That's all on me. Don't worry about it. Again, I got you, JD. Tell them. Okay. I got you. God damn, bro. You had one job. Again, I got you on the shipping. You don't have to worry about it. Only thing you gotta do is just drop a comment down below. Drop your Instagram name.
Leave a comment. Leave a comment.
Yes, leave a comment. And within that comment, leave your Instagram. So then I can just go and hit you up in the DMs on IG. Not like that. But letting you know that you want this t-shirt. Get your hands out of the camera and move out the way. I know you're glad to be back since you were gone last video when I needed your ass. But I hear. But anyway, if y'all want to win this, drop a comment down below. Leave your IG name so I can hit you up. I will announce the winner in the next video. So stay tuned for that. And be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. I'm out. JD's back. I wish he didn't. Now I wish he didn't come back because I got to go through this again. Yeah, see you on the next video. This maybe was a short one. It may be a short one. I don't know. But then again, I'll catch y'all in the next one. I'm out. Peace. Bro, cut the camera so I can play The Last of Us 2 and move on to the next game.
Nah, that game is scary, bro.
It's getting good. It's getting good. It's getting good.
All right.
I gotta edit this video.
Me too.
Yeah.
All right, bye.
Yeah.
All right, bye.
Bye.